What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the pattern day trader rule, also known as PDT, and how this might apply to your day trading. Keep it locked. So if you're new to the channel, I wanted to sincerely welcome you. My name is Brian Rivera, and I'm a certified public accountant in the state of Florida, where I run TraderTax CPA. I'm an active day trader, and I've got my hands in the multitude of things. So go ahead and give me a like, give us a subscribe, so that way you will be notified on any future content that is produced around finance, entrepreneurship, and most importantly, day trading. So like many new traders, back in 2014, I opened up my first stock trading account with E-Trade, and I literally thought it was just, get on the app, press a couple buttons, and you're a trader. But little did I know that there is actual regulation around day trading, and most importantly, the intent behind that is to keep newer traders safe. So good thing for you. Hopefully you came across this video early in the stage of your career to prevent any setbacks like I experienced when I first started trading. All right, so because I've been around the financial markets for quite some time, both from serving clients as their CPA, also from trading my own personal funds, I wanted to debunk any misconceptions that you might have about the pattern day trader rule. So one of my favorite things about being a CPA that focuses on traders is that I get to consult with traders all across the US, all throughout the year. And most recently, I had a couple calls with some traders who were confusing the pattern day trader rule with trader status. So they automatically assumed that because they were above the pattern day trader rule that they qualified for trader status. So if you don't know what trader status is, don't worry. I'm going to drop a link below to a video that's going to describe exactly what trader status is, so you can get yourself up to speed on what it means to qualify for trader status. So the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, also known as FINRA, establishes the PDT rule in that your minimum account balance, whether that's cash and also stock holdings, must exceed the $25,000 threshold. So go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know any frustrations or pain points you might have had experiencing the pattern day trader rule. So if the minimum equity balance in your account is below $25,000, basically what the rule set says is that you are not a pattern day trader rule and you are subject to only 3 day trades in a 5-day rolling period. So there can be a lot of misconceptions on what constitute a day trade. So a day trade is a round trip trade where you bought something and you also sold something, right? So if you placed 3 trades on a Monday, then you actually used up all of your pattern day trader trades and you won't be able to trade again until the following Monday. Now, in that same scenario, let's just say you placed a trade on a Monday, on a Tuesday, and a Wednesday. Well, the following week, you would get 1 trade back on Monday, you get another trade back on Tuesday, and then you get your last trade back on Wednesday. So it's very important that you spread your trades out so that way you won't flag the rule if you are under the $25,000 minimum account equity balance. All right, guys, so moral of the story, remember that if you are trading on a margin account and you're below the pattern day trader rule, you really want to monitor this, because I've seen some absolute horror stories as to where a trader was unable to close a position because they were under the PDT rule. And if you are trading very volatile stocks, a lot of momentum stocks or even penny stocks, they can swing pretty good in an intraday period, right? So you want to make sure that you are always monitoring the status of where you are at in relation to the pattern day trader rule. So the other thing to keep in mind is that if you violate this requirement, your broker is actually required to lock your account for a minimum of a 90-day period. So you want to be very careful when you're trading not to trip or flag this rule. All right, guys, so I kept it short and sweet. Hopefully you learned something today, and I want to genuinely wish you the best of luck on your trading journey. If you come across a situation where you need some tax advice, I'm going to drop a link below to my calendar to where you can book a consultation and we can flush out any trading tax issues that you may have. Have a great rest of your day.